Vanessa with Hidden Treasure Candles. We are about to do the birthday candle reveal. And this so happens to be Brenda, my mother-in-law's, her parents' 70th anniversary. Woo! Okay, we're going to find out what she gets. Yeah.
And it won't come out.
It should pull out. I can pull it out.
Let's see if I can do it. Should I blow the candle out?
Yeah, let me blow the candle.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's pretty stuck down there.
I'm sure I say it may not be ready.
Pull it out. It's ready.
Jamie can pull it out. Where's Jamie?
I'm right here.
Can you pull it out?
Brenda's probably better at it.
I got it.
Yeah!
Don't burn yourself.
Woo!
Okay.
Orange scissors, or you got it?
Something to put it in.
Here, Brenda.
We're all excited. We've been waiting for like a month.
I hear you over there.
I used to get that way to Cracker Jacks, didn't I, Mom?
Ooh.
Ooh, what is it?
I don't know, but it's awfully pretty. Hang on. Get this off. It's a big diamond. What if you can't open it? My
I think
fingers
that's
are.
a zipper.
I know, but my fingers are sticky.
She's nervous. She's on camera.
It's not live yet, so I can edit it.
Ooh, I told you it's a big old pretty thing.
Oh, wow.
Wow, it is pretty.
Wow.
You know, just because you had to wait so long makes it even more.
It is so. It's one of them drop earrings. It's a drop earring.
That is pretty. See?
Wow.
That is pretty.
Well, she really loves her necklace. So thank you, Hidden Treasure Candles.
Here we go.
Woo!
Oh, I've got it on backwards. Hold on. My fingers are waxy.
That's back when you could ride it.
Yeah, I know.
And you always were right here.
You need help to get it on?
No.
Wow, you're pro.
Not pretty.
Very beautiful.
Not pretty.
Very beautiful. Woo! Thank you, Hidden Treasure Candles.
That's